everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. My name is Chelsea. If you're new, today we're gonna do a basic plan with me for the week of November 9th through the 15th in my Recollections Planner using the Pretty Pumpkins weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. If you'd like to see me lay down the base layout or want to see full details of this kit, make sure to check out the links down below. And with that said, let's get planning. Alright guys, this is the finished look before the pen. Just basic layout here for this plan with me. Basically just putting down everything I know for sure that's going to happen. So here is it so far. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do here. We do have no school and my husband will be off because of Veterans Day. I did kind of put the trash day sticker a little off just in case I need to put canceled or, you know, rescheduled, whatever. Because I'm not sure at the moment if there's going to be any trash day on Wednesday. That is when our trash is picked up. Recycling is the day before. We have payday on Friday. She has therapy Monday, Thursday, Friday. Again, it will depend on what we do on Wednesday if she ends up having therapy on that day too. So yeah, let me go ahead and zoom you in and write it all in. Alright everyone, this is the final look of my basic plan with me. If you want to see how the memory spread of this week of November 9th through the 15th in my recollection using the Pretty Pumpkins weekly kit by GoldPaperPrints turns out, then stay tuned. That video is coming very soon. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure to comment down below #BasicMonday. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to keep watching and turn on those notification bells so you never miss a video. Until then, happy Monday guys. See you in my next video.